guys. So it's about that time to throw the engine short ram intake on Jenny. Remove the little staying out the way right now, and then we'll get to it. Alright, well, time to go fix the Jenny. Well, not fix, but do a little bit of upgrades. It's bay number 2 and bay number 1. Oh yeah. Alright guys, so you guys are gonna need a 10mm socket wrench and some pliers to take off the clamps. I'm also doing the blow off valve install as well, XS blow off valve and the engine intake. So I'm gonna take off these little screws right here, that one right there, and there's one more down here somewhere. We also gotta take these off right here. Little screwdriver, pop them off. And yeah, we're gonna disconnect the battery right now. See how it goes. The intake in there. I just need to connect the little hoses. This one right here. This one right here as well. And that's it for that. This little thing has a placement you can put it in. It'll be right there. And alright guys, so got it all finished, installed. The XS BOV valve and an engine short ram intake. And let's give it a little bit of some test runs right now. See them test runs right now. See how it sounds.